What's up guys, man? We back for the second video already. I just want to thank everybody first. Such a great video. In our first day we hit over 100 views and we was not expecting that at all. We was really thinking it was going to do like 25 views maybe in the first day, but you guys knocked it out the park with that one. So we back today. We got some electrical work to do on the 340. We have my brother's car has a boost leak somewhere, so we gotta find that, see what's going on with that. We got a new creeper coming in, we gotta put that together, and probably just a few other little things that we just gotta, you know, clean up around our car. So we're gonna do that and bring y'all along for the way. You already know. Thank you again for yesterday, big day, and let's get right into it. Alright, so this is what we gonna fix today. I didn't know that you can take this off of the OEM high pressure fuel pump. Because on the OEM high pressure fuel pump, this connector is faced the other way. That's why I had to do this janky wiring. So I'm gonna pop this off of my OEM one and put the connector into the OEM one and then pop this back on and then get rid of some of this ugly wiring, and hopefully it looks halfway decent. Jaden?
What?
I found your leak.
No way. That easy? Good or bad? What? Is it good or bad? What's this down here? What am I tripping? Like, what am I looking at?
Good, come over here, you're gonna find it. Go ahead, put your hands in there a little bit.
I'm not allowed to touch. What is it?
You can touch it.
Just say it. What is it? The turbo?
No.
Yeah. Oh.
Grab the camera.
Y'all, we found the leak.
We found the boost leak.
Go
We
ahead.
found the leak.
Get in there for y'all.
Can you see that? Alright, well, here's my hand.
Well, that was one of the easiest boost leaks ever. Shout out to Juwan. So y'all, we've been driving around for like an hour now. We've been trying to look for a new coupler. Where's it at? Right here. This thing's cooked. Found a boost leak at least. Yeah, we just been driving now. And
Yeah, we went to like a little local auto store. We went to Pep Boys, AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts, and Home Depot. None of them had it, but Lowe's said that they have one online, so we're about to be there in like 2 minutes and we're going to see if it's actually going to work.
so we'll get right back with y'all as soon as we can't even drive. We'll get right back with y'all as soon as we get out of Lowe's and hopefully we find it. All right, we'll catch y'all.
All right, guys, so we also just came back from the Lowe's. they didn't have it. They said they had 3 in stock. They didn't have any. The guy there, he directed us to some other plumbing place. We went there. They had it. We called them. They had it. But then they wanted almost like 3 or 4 times as much as they wanted it at Lowe's, even though it was the same brand and everything. So they were just trying to get out on us. So we just ordered one off Amazon. It'll be here tomorrow, so we can get that, and this will be back up tomorrow. And that's about it for right now, I think. Alright, well, we just got this creeper in. We don't really need it right now, but we just got it in, so we just gonna put it together, put the wheels on. It should be pretty simple. This and some wheels on the bottom.
What is up, 2J's Army? Wrapping up the video. So y'all, that video was filmed like a week ago, but we're just now like finishing the end. We just forgot to film it, and then we were shooting another video right now. Well, it didn't go right. Stuff was messing up, so we just scratched it. So as you can see, it's finally fixed. We got it. I ordered one off Amazon. It was like 15 maybe. You see it's good now, not going nowhere. It was holding. I already didn't hit like 18 PSI boosting it, so it's fine now. And then going to Juwan's car. He's trying to scratch the paint off on there. But as you can see right here, we finished the high pressure fuel pump. It's all good now, the wiring. Perfect. And yeah. So you got any last words, Juwan? Wrap up this video.
What did we do? We did a lot of wiring, a lot of heat shrinks, all that stuff, but everything's running cool now.
So it's good now. So thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe, leave a like. Make sure y'all follow us on Instagram too. And then turn y'all post notifications on. And we will see y'all soon. We got a car review coming up for y'all next. That's gonna be the next video, car review. Don't worry, we got y'all. We've been slacking, but we got y'all. All right, y'all, thank you.